So this is
Welcome
what is
to
given.
Daily Algebra.
We should simplify and leave our answer in a standard form. The first thing is to change all the values into whole numbers. Let's see how we do it. We're going this way. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That will be 14 times 10. The number of times it went there. And as it's going that way, to be negative because a decimal, changing a decimal to whole number, the power should be negative. So 4 times power negative 4 times 1, 2, 3. 3 times 10 negative. The number of times 3 times divided by 7 times 10 negative 1, 2. Negative 2 times 6 times 10 negative 1, 2. Negative 2. So now we have 14 times 3 times 10 power negative 4 times 10 power negative 3. We divide by grouping that side. 7 times 6 times 10 power negative 2 times 10 power negative 2. By cancellation, 7 goes here once, goes there twice. 2 go there one, it goes here 3 times. 3 here 1, 3 here 1. So we have 1 times 10 power negative 4 times 10 power negative 3 over the same one. We can choose to write or not. 1 times 10 power negative 2 plus negative 2. That will give us negative 4. 10 power negative 2 times 10 power negative 2 is 10 power negative 4. Now we have 1 times 10 power negative 4 times 10 power negative 3 over the one we can choose to leave it, 10 power negative 4. Now by cancellation, 10 power negative 4 will be able to cancel 10 power negative 4. And our answer 1.0 times 10 power negative 3.